Got that boy Smoke. Y'all gonna tap in, man. 345 Smoke. Gonna go crazy. Yeah. Record? What? This bitch finna sound totally different. What I told you, nigga. You hear that bitch. You hear that bitch. You hear that bitch, nigga. That boy go. Imagine you hit the gas in that bitch and you put that bitch in sport mode or track mode. That bitch is gonna go crazy.
I done pulled up on that. It's Magic Burger, y'all. This is the best burger.
Pull it up.
Look here. $7 combo. Show them folks. Burger, chip, and a drink. $7. We over here on Bankhead, nigga. They said down in Holloway, but it's Bankhead, man. Right now, you listen to a real Bankhead G, man.
Hello.
I've been on this block since 77, man. Wait for y'all niggas thought about being born.
You know what I'm saying?
Right? Hello. Put him down, Jack.
Pop, then. Blood on diamond, blood on his flag, blood on his money, blood in his...
YouTube, we back with another video. We finna go out this bitch, see the bros, them racing shit, and some more little lit content, bro. We really be living the life, boy. For real, boy. Really be living the life, boy. But y'all folks, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. All the people that y'all be seeing in these videos, bro, they have channels too. Y'all go tap into all them folks' channels, subscribe, go follow them. Run they shit up, go show some love like y'all showing, and let me know what videos y'all want to see and what cars y'all want smooth to get in and shit like that, like or get next to and shit like that. Cause I ain't gonna lie, nigga, I done been damn near by every car and every dream car you could want or you should want or might want. So y'all folks just let me know, bro. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm turn y'all back on when I'm picking up my cousin. I'm finna pick him up because today we're gonna have a person holding the camera. My cousin not gonna hold the camera for me today. So y'all stay tuned. Tap in with him. With y'all when I get him, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 50K, man. We gone. You started the vlog, bro. Yeah, outside. That nigga claiming. Outside. Damn, shawty shit fucked. Huh? Where they at? Can't even see that bit. I have to get out that hole. Start that bit. Where your sticker at over here? Smoke one. Smoke one again. Smoke one again. That nigga smoke one again? He won again. That nigga shit fast, bro. Let me turn y'all back on when he get here. Come on, gang. What, you ain't sticking?
I'm sticking, bro. Sticking. What you talking about?
Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. Aw, man. Here he go. Here he go. He finna make the bitch rear wheel. No bull. All wheel to rear wheel. He finna turn that bitch rear wheel drive. You gotta say, see them bitches dancing. Dancing.
Did you?
My bad, gang. I got you. Your shit ain't closed up. Close it. You want me to close it?
Yeah, I lift that bitch up again.
It looked like a charger. Got that boy smoke. Y'all gonna tap in, man. 345 smoke. Gonna go crazy. It ain't sticky. There that bitch go. It was go. There we go. They a little sticky.
Yeah, that's all I need.
That's all you need. Close those up.
Nah, your shit is sticky, nigga.
I'm picking up every pebble, rock.
Every
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
I know you ain't catching, baby.
I know you ain't catch it. That's that Zahh.
You know?
6-inch tips, by the way. That motherfucker too loud. What? Hey Jack, what the hell you doing? Y'all niggas ain't finna goddamn kill boy me.
Stop it. Get some help.
I told y'all it's a V6. You see the dash, shawty. And that shit go the whole dash. That bitch do the whole dash. The governor gone. What the fuck? On and off. The whole, yeah. You see what's on the dash. The same thing you got. Yeah. Am I lying? Am I lying?
The blunt, man.
Hit the gas. Hit the gas. Hit the gas.
Blunt, man.
Nah, don't hit the gas. Don't hit the gas. It's on you. It's on you, man.
Oh, it's on me? Where is that? Where is it? I don't see it, bitch.
The camera. You said put it on you.
Oh, I'm talking about the blunt, bitch.
Oh.
Shut your bubblegum dumb looking ass the fuck up.
It's on you.
Bro, nah, don't hit it,
He
bro.
putting that bitch out. I ain't even see that.
I need a lighter. Hold on. Got you then, Smoke. He got you. I seen it. YouTube. Next day. Y'all seen last night we was racing, my boy. Smoke and dang, I forget my boy name. He got the RT though. They were cutting up crazy. But y'all folks stay tuned. We finna go see about my boy Zahh Scat. He finna try to get this bitch quaking, making some noise. So y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 50K. And I'm gonna turn y'all on when we get there. I know I don't wish. I gotta come see y'all in the shoes. Let me turn y'all on when I get to find me something though. Damn, stay tuned. Just made it to the fucking muffler spot. But Zahh finna get his shit muffler deleted. But we think about going straight pipe on that bit. There you go right here though. Y'all see it. This one y'all ain't successful black kings turning out Jack. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get up there. Got to be grabbed.
When we take it off? Come on out,
Get out. What you finna do with it?
Finna see, bro. I'm finna see what they think I should do it.
I'll stay tuned.
Damn, I need to get my camera.
Where's it?
Oh, we got a ladder. You can climb up. We got a ladder.
Right down. Get the ladder. You want me to go grab it?
It's on the right
And what you
side.
say your light on for, nephew?
This my tire system. I gotta get my
Oh, the tire. But they ain't on nothing. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's what they've been doing lately. They ain't got no cash taking my boy. That's been.
I'm gonna do it when I get this
What side is on?
It's on one side.
It's on right side? Okay, go with that.
Say what you gonna do, bro? What you doing?
You got the loud, you like, God damn, what you trying to do, man? You gotta let it go off.
We're cutting pipes out this bitch. Look at that boy. I'm telling you, bro, that bitch gonna pop 30 times crazier, bro. Telling you, bro. Shout out to Smooth, bro. It ain't no more driving normal, bro. As soon as you hit that bitch, nigga, your shit going. That one, stay tuned. I'm coming back home when they're done with it.
You know what we clean the ones that have the purple around the tip, and you push it out a little bit. Oh, y'all got that one. That Amazon. Y'all put it on there. Install it.
Turn y'all back on, bro. Y'all supposed to stay tuned, bro. Recording from my boys out, bro. And Zahh shit. I'm recording from my shit. And I'm recording from my boys out at the same time. We working. Y'all supposed to stay tuned, bro. Yeah, you ain't beat that. You can't beat that. Or he could be talking about slat woods or something. You know, them bitches come flat too.
Yeah, see, and I got
Let me turn it back on. Let me turn y'all back on. We turn the car on, but my boy done did the big one. To the 392 though.
Hello, I'm coming right now. Let's do it. I'm the key at.
Record? What?
The key.
This bitch finna sound totally different. What I told you, nigga. You hear that bitch. You hear that bitch. You hear that bitch, nigga. I told you, nigga. That nigga just got it right, nigga. I'm telling you. Told your ass, bro. You ain't even done yet, bro. You heard the difference, though, bro. Your shit was not.
I swear, I got the.
Fuck out that bitch. You want a big boy chip? Yeah, that boy acting different. Yeah. I gotta catch up. That's that loose shit. Folks, stay tuned. That boy go. Imagine you hit the gas in that bitch and you put that bitch in sport mode or track mode. That bitch is gonna go crazy. What I just say? What I just What, nigga? Yeah, got you something, boy. Boy, Zahh come soon, y'all. For stay tuned, man. Boy, Zahh got that up first nigga in the group to do it. First nigga in the group to do it, ain't it? First nigga.
On the west side, it's the best side. They get weak.
Nah, I know where we at, man. Gotta come up here, bro. Gonna get you right every time, bro. My first stay tuned, bro. The little tank shit. You know how they be having torches? It's like a torch. Hot gun. That shit ain't hot, huh?
I done pulled up on that. It's Magic Burger, y'all. This is the best burger.
Pull it up.
Look here. $7 combo. Show them folks. Burger, chip, and a drink. $7.
Man, talk the fuck in.
You
Yeah,
not
exactly.
you not finna beat that.
Not.
You
Where
not
we
finna
at?
beat that. We over here on Bankhead, nigga. They said it's down in Holloway, but it's Bankhead, man.
Bankhead.
Right now, you listen to a real Bankhead G, man.
Hello.
I've been on this block since '77, man. Wait
Hello.
for y'all niggas thought about being born.
You know what I'm saying?
Hello.
This
Put
is
'em down,
Magic Burger,
Jet.
man. This is the company Magic Burger. I'm doing it for my granddaughter.
Yes.
October make 5 years, nigga. The best burger in the city. Beef and turkey. Black bean available on Fridays. Goddamn it, $7 combo.
Yeah.
Cheapest combo in the building, man.
They go. I'm
Tell you,
about to
you
cash
know
out.
we
I'm
at.
about to
Y'all
cash
first
out.
stay tuned.
Let me pull over here.
Auntie came through. Look at her. Wipe your lips,
No, you
Jack.
make a man, what I told you. Didn't I tell you? Give him the knuckle before you make a man. You can't believe that shit hit like that. Just told you.
Yeah. He can't even get
shit.
right. He can't even get right.
I'm finna restart that bit.
I told him, man. I said, but this shit ain't no joke. Oh, he told y'all. That's why y'all called me. While I
Yeah,
pulled
that's
off.
why we stopped you. We like, yeah, we gotta shoot.
See, I busted you.
You trip.
Don't fuck the phone up, man.
Yeah, he
Nigga done got that magic, bro. He don't even want his phone no more.
he don't even want the phone.
He said, damn the phone. You got that magic. All right, you ready, man?
Appreciate you, man. God, fuck.
I need me another one of them bitches.
What kind of chips you want, man?
Let me get 2 Lays.
2 Lays. Yes, sir. I ain't letting up.
I just sent that through.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Appreciate y'all.
Man, y'all call me, man. Y'all take a picture of that. Yes, sir. Take a
You
picture,
live.
man. I pull up wherever y'all at. And it's on IG.
And we on IG.
Right here. On the
I
bag.
need that. Yeah, facts.
Yes, sir. In the game.
You can throw these in there too.
Yes, sir. You gotta have that shit. Gotta have your shit together, man. Man, y'all hit that lemonade. Hit that lemonade.
Man, I'm finna hit the lemonade. I gotta go pay for this.
Appreciate y'all, fellas.
Appreciate it. Anyway, Auntie came through with that shit. That shit. That motherfucker gonna be love.
That shit ain't make no sense.
That bitch smacking.
That shit ain't just make no sense.
And then had to get the lemonade. You know what I'm saying? Start it, man. Why ain't started from the inside? And hit it. And switch the mode. You could have switched the mode. Duh, that problem lost on how you went back there. My boy. motherfucker got a nigga ear goddamn rattling and shit. That shit got my ear rattling, my boy.
Press the gas, man. They gonna be like, is that a Hellcat?
I'll say true.
No, bitch, it's
Vlog, let me wipe y'all off. We done cleaned them bitches inside and out, huh? Look. Go to your video. You gonna see yourself sliding that bitch. Okay. Put it in sport. Put that bitch in sport. Put that bitch in sport. Yeah. Now, look what I was saying. Look, every time I go down, hit it. Hit it. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Bro, what the fuck is you doing?
Nah, this is nigga beeping like a dumbass.
Come on. I'm thinking you just set a nigga alarm off.
I'm thinking I'm a man. Somebody.
Hey, we going to the gas station?
Yeah. Let's go to the Chevron down there.
I bet. I'm gonna pull it up to the B&B, and for y'all fuck niggas who think we green, by the time y'all see this video, he is not at this B&B, so yeah. Finna see what we doing now. Y'all folks stay tuned. My boy Coda just pulled up. We young niggas turn for real. Y'all folks stay tuned. That like, comment, subscribe. We on the road to 50K. Let me tell y'all back on in a minute.
Look, the next one,
We in
I'm
the
gonna beat y'all
fucking-
out there. I'm gonna beat you there. You ain't gonna get there before.
Hey, what BMW that is? That's an M?
That's an Audi, twin.
I'm thinking that's
an
a W.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Shut the fuck up.
Shut your bubblegum dumb looking ass the fuck up.
What the fuck is you doing?
Take shot to shit.
This nigga here, bro. By the time you fucking drop, nigga.
But speaking of drop,
What?
are you all on my camera?
What? No, what, nigga?
Yo.
Boys, I got this big motherfucker, boy.
Shit, load up. We can load up now.
I'll give you Chevy first.
Let's stay tuned.
Hold on.